Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a photo to the Google Maps application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the contribute button down below, which is the fourth option. Now you should tap on the add photo icon in the middle of the screen, indicated by the image of a camera. And then you will be able to add a photo of your choice. And then you will be able to press the button add. And then you should pick a place where you would like to attach this particular photo. So if you are interested in giving your review or feedback about a restaurant that you have just visited and you would like to enclose, for example, a few photos of the meal that you have tasted there, just simply follow these steps. So you can search for that restaurant, for example, and then press the button post in order to give your feedback and attach a photo of your food so that other people who are planning to go there can see how that particular meal looks like. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.